Okay, let's get the brain a-going and get the neurons firing with a little bit of puzzle today. The puzzle today is a classic, an oldies but a goodie, and it's apples and oranges. Here's the problem. The problem is you have apples and oranges, and they're in three different buckets. One bucket is labeled apples, one bucket is labeled oranges, and the other bucket is labeled apples and oranges. Now, in this picture, we only have oranges because we ate the apples. But the different buckets are labeled apples, and oranges. The problem is all the buckets are mislabeled. Your challenge is to correctly label the buckets. Now, you only have one option. You can go to one bucket and pull out one piece of fruit. One piece of fruit from one bucket. That's it. And then you have to correctly label all the buckets. How do you do that? That's the challenge today. You can go into one bucket and then what's this? Yes. Well, who is this? Who is this?
Professor Klinger?
Well, who is this? What's your name?
My name's Jacko.
Where did you come from?
I'm in your class. I sit in the back.
I guess. Okay. Well, what's your question, Jacko?
3 buckets
3 buckets.
and 3 pieces of fruit.
No, I'm sorry. In each bucket, there are either apples, oranges, or apples and oranges. So each bucket has a bucket of fruit, and you can go in and pull out just one fruit from one bucket.
Why only one? I'm hungry.
Well, once you correctly label the buckets, you can knock yourself out. Have as much fruit as you like.
Okay, I get 1 fruit and then I have to label them correctly?
That's correct. You pull out one fruit from one bucket and then have to make all the labels correct.
This is a riddle.
Exactly.
Okay, well, is this a hard riddle or a medium riddle?
This is probably a medium riddle.
Okay, I'm going to go and figure it out, and thou will figure it out.
Okay, Jocko, you go do that.
Okay,
And you guys have fun with this problem too.
bye everybody.